to solar or no solar? That's the Denver real estate conundrum. Let's talk solar in the Denver real estate market. It's a hot topic. I'm often consulted about, is a long-term value, or what are the implications of it? How do solar panels look on our homes? Let's chat about that and the energy and how it can influence your home's worth. As we pave our way towards a greener future, it's no surprise that about 3 out of 10 houses will sell some equipped with solar panels, a number we expect to soar to 10 out of 10 by the year 2035. But does that always mean that solar equals more value? Not necessarily. Here's what you need to know. Impact on home value. Sometimes solar can either hike up your home's value or put a damper on it, depending on the terms of your solar contract. Be very aware of what you're signing and for how much and how long. Size matters. It's also essential to match the footprint of the panels to the size of your home. It's hard to rationalize a $40,000 installation on a quaint 1,200 square foot residence. The math just doesn't add up. My personal anecdote? I've delved deep into the world of solar myself and found a staggering price tag of $45,000. Plus, I still had to make a monthly payment, despite the government incentive. Well, let's really talk about that resale value. A $45,000 solar setup doesn't directly translate into $45,000 increase in your property value. It's just not that simple. It is sold to you with the idea of replacing your monthly electrical bill, never mind the loan you're paying for the next 20 to 30 years. Do the math. You may actually be paying more than just your electrical bill over that long period of time. So it doesn't really replace your electrical bill. Selling with solar, when you're representing a home on the market, the solar installations, those are paramount. They compile and disclosure, and all of the following has to be there. 12 months of electrical bills, 12 months of your solar bills, if those are applicable. The details of the solar contract, how long, who's paying it off, or is it paying it off, or are you taking over? Those things in great detail, along with the servicers, are actually who own the panels, are in that contract. Bear in mind, the aesthetics, they play a role as well. If the panels are visible from the street, they may not exactly be eye candy, curb appeal. It could affect your sales price, unless you find that 1 in a million analytical buyer who's interesting and investing with logic and not emotion. In some cases, if a buyer is not willing or able to take upon the lease themselves, the seller may choose to pay off the remaining balance to facilitate the sale. While this can increase the appeal of the home to the potential buyer, it's an additional cost to the seller, and you must be prepared for it. There is a payoff. It is a lien on your home. For realtors navigating these waters, making sure both parties are informed and agree to the appropriate terms is crucial. It's a delicate balance, but one that can be managed with thorough understanding and clear communication between all parties. If you're looking for insights on how to handle such situations, it's important we have those discussions up front so that you understand the pros and cons in the buy and the sell of a home with solar. As I said, remember, these are liens on your home. They are financed out. They become a payment, and a new buyer does have to qualify for that solar payment if they're going to take over your lease. In the other side of that, you as a seller may be responsible to pay off that entire lease in order to sell your home. So I want you to be very aware of the decision you're making when you put solar on your home. If you want more insights and more discussion on this, please give me a call. Let's have a good discussion on this so that you understand where you are with your home loan as well as additional liens on your house with solar.